Let's talk about the recently launched ITEL smartphone S23 Plus with stylish design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved screen display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 93% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 388 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and features with dynamic bar. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with 50 megapixels AI dual camera setup on the rear, for selfies. It has 32 megapixel camera, video recording maximum at 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive version of ITEL OS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core, 2 GHz, dual-core Cortex A75, plus 1.8 GHz, hexa-core, Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone with two different storage variants. The first variant plugs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM with 4GB extended RAM through memory fusion technology, and 128GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage. The second variant plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM with 8GB extended RAM through memory fusion technology, and 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.47 by 75.17 by 7.9 mm, and it weighs around 178 grams, and the color options lake, cyan, elemental blue, colors to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the phone also feature in display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI face unlock, the connectivity option on. The smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with single speaker and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC, and with GPT AI assistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL S23 Plus has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 43,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ITEL S23 Plus? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.